Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we've got a 2005 New Holland Boomer. It is a model TC33DA. 33 horsepower. You know, a nice sized machine. We've got 26.9 horsepower at the PTO. It is hydrostatic. You can see the pedal. And it is a super steer model. If you need to get around in a tight spot, this really does come around the corner nice. We've got the full hydraulic loader on it and a big 68-inch bucket. You can see the nice style vertical headlights with the grill guard. Full hydraulic loader, 33 horse, 3-cylinder diesel. Rear turfs are in excellent condition. There is some fading on this machine. You can just see from the prior graphics. Maybe that'll buff out for you. You could give that a try. Back here, we've got the extendable 3-point arms, just like you'll find on the Bobcat tractor. Very nice. 540 PTO, Category 1, 3-point. Got our hazard lights. There's a shot of our engine hours. 1365. Joystick loader control. You've got 3 speed ranges on the machine. You've got your PTO, rear PTO. Nice flat floor. Suspension seat. You know, all in all, a nice rig. Let's go ahead and fire it up for you. Oh, got it in gear. Got to put it in neutral over here to go. Machine runs nice. We'll do an oil change on it, have it ready to go for you. And I'm just going to point out, because if you're coming from a distance, you'll see there's a faded 2 on the hood. Well, you're number 1 with us, but you'll have the number 2 tractor. And there is also a scuff on the paint here. Otherwise, you know, tractor's in overall pretty great condition. Front tires show some wear, but they're very serviceable. Nice heavy front axle. So, you know, everything's good on the machine. You can do a lot of digging. It's a bargain price. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2005 Boomer TC33DA. This New Holland's got 1365 on the hours. It's got a 15A loader on it that is detachable, and we do have the stand on the front here. For supporting. There is one small hole in the radiator screen. You know, it's got a few hours on it, and that first scratch is already taken care of, so get in the machine, put it to work, and don't worry about anything. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Again, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Call Jeff, 715-781-3940. Thank you.